What's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Niveth Legend 123 and today we are going to be doing an unboxing of the Samsung Portable SSD T5. So it's a 2TB SSD and it's compatible with Windows, Mac and Android. iPadOS is also supported, and as you can see, Samsung Portable SSD T5, it is up to 540 megabits per second transfer speed, supporting 3.1 Gen 2, 10 gigabits per second, and is compact and lightweight, aluminum exterior, and has 51 grams lightweight, and it is shock resistant, unlike the Toshiba hard drive that isn't shock resistant because the HDD has moving parts inside. This has none. This is completely flash storage, and it has an optional password protection, one that the Toshiba doesn't have, and it has USB-C, USB-A support for PCs, phones and other devices, and only supports Windows 7, Mac OS Mavericks or later, and Android 4.4 KitKat. And inside we'll get SSD, quick start guide and warranty statement, Type C to C cable, Type C to A cable, and the cables that support USB 3.1 Gen 2. So let's get right into it. Okay, let's set this up. As you can see, we have the Samsung Portable SSD T5 itself with a USB-C port, Samsung Portable SSD and an FCC label. So we have the quick start guide. Majority of it is in different languages, and we have the interface that we need to connect the SSD to. So in this case, we have the USB-A 3.1 to USB-C, followed by the cable I think I'm going to be using the most, the USB-C to USB-C cable. Let's set this up. So we're going to be setting up the SSD that I have over here. As you can see, this is the SSD T5, and here we have the cable. So we're going to plug this into the USB-C port over here, and we're going to be plugging into the SSD over here. So we should see some kind of SSD to be mounted onto the MacBook Pro. As you can see, we have a blue light. There you go, Samsung T5. So we should open it, and as you can see here, we have a TXT file and PKG file and a win.exe. So I'm presuming this is for the software that we can use to encrypt this SSD's hard drive. So I'm assuming this should be the software to password encrypt this SSD, one that Toshiba didn't have. So I'm guessing this is the Mac version and this is the Windows version. So if we go into disk utility, we should see Samsung Portable SSD T5 media 2TB and as Samsung T5, so it's using an exFAT volume. Last time it came with the NTFS volume, which I couldn't read and write, but now it has an exFAT volume. So I may be using this to edit videos off from here, because this MacBook only has 256 gigabytes of storage. But with this 2TB SSD, I can use this to edit any videos that may be planned in the future. So stay tuned for that. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment on how should I improve my video below. And this MacBook is running Big Sur. I'll be updating it to Monterey soon. So stay tuned for that. And Niveth Legend 123 signing out.